Hi, I'm Jill, Community Manager here at Ecamm, and I want to welcome you. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you just downloaded Ecamm to try it out. Maybe someone recommended it, maybe you saw another creator using it, or maybe you just found this playlist on YouTube. However you got here, we're really glad that you're here. One thing you'll quickly discover about Ecamm is that while our software is incredibly powerful, one of our best features in Ecamm is actually the community behind it all. So creators from all over the world use Ecamm to live stream, podcast, teach, present, and share their ideas in video format. These amazing dynamic productions all come from members of our community. We call them the Ecamm fam. Welcome, you're now like part of that. Congratulations, it's amazing. Many of them started exactly where you are right now. So this video is the first in our Getting Started series. Each video is short and designed to give you a quick win so you can start creating right away. And if you ever want to go deeper, we have a full beginner training playlist with longer tutorials that walk you through Ecamm step by step. But for today, let's keep it simple. Your goal right now is to create your first video in Ecamm. It's going to be so amazing. When you first download Ecamm and open it up, you're going to see something that's like this. You've got all of these utility windows that all serve different functions. Some you might need, some you might not need right away. And if you ever close a window and you want to bring it back, you can either click on these shortcuts, which will bring back those different windows, or you can go up to this window option and show whatever it was that you lost. I'm going to quickly rearrange these windows in a way that makes sense to me. Here I am in Ecamm after rearranging my windows the way that I want. What I want to do now is select, or in this case, change my audio input. I want that microphone, which is this one. And if I wanted to change my camera, I could just click on one of these other cameras. Hi, my overhead shot. But this is the one I want to use. Bonus points if you go up here and change this from default to, I'm going to say, Jill, my camera. And then if I want to record, make sure you go up here and that you have record checked off. And then you'll see this little blue button where you can hit record and get your first video done here in Ecamm. And look at that, you did it. You created your first video here in Ecamm. I'm really proud of you. And now you're part of the Ecamm fam, which is like totally amazing. And we're really glad that you're here. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video where we can start customizing your setup. Talk to you soon.